everyone. Thank you for tuning in with me. I'm going to be making a coffee scrub, and watch with me and you'll see how I make it. Okay. First things first. I'm going to show you the things that I have. I got the organic coconut oil, which I measured to 1 tablespoon, and I have my coffee, and I'm going to put a scent. It's going to be coconut scent. Coconut is good for the skin. I'm only buying products that's obviously good for your skin. So I'm hoping to get three out of them, out of what I'm making here. So this is the containers that I'm going to be using. Usually I would use something like this, but this is what I have to work with because they're smaller and I want it to be little cubes. Okay, I've already melted my clear glycerin. I believe I said that right. Already melted, so it's already prepared. So what I'm going to do is first put in the coffee, which is a little moist. And then you want it to be dry, so you got to get it moist though. There. Flavor, you know, and I would like a little more coconut in it. Just one more. You don't want it to be too strong. Just really a touch of it. It's not nothing strong. It's really light. Stir that up. And now I'm going to pour this in here. Sit for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to sprinkle a little over the top, and just to give it that nice little fill. Now what I'm doing now is making the mixture for the top, and I'm going to add the coffee